Hello friends, welcome to my new tutorial of Facebook Conversion API. I'm Rahul Mondal, expert in Google Analytics for enhanced e-commerce tracking, Serversite tracking, Facebook Conversion API. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to track AddToCart event. So let's take a new tag for AddToCart. So I'll give a name. AddToCart tag. So I will select the template Facebook pixel archive and select the pixel ID. I have created a constant variable for pixel ID, and here I have to select AddToCart, and I will add some properties, the important properties which are necessary. I have already created the variable. I have shown you how to create a variable in the previous video. These are the property name which are required. So you have to copy it exactly. Then I will add the content type here. So content type is product here. Content ID, so I'll add content ID. So this is the content ID. You can see the data layer is different from you have to check the data layer first, and then you have to create the variable according to the data layer. Select the value, then select the name, then select currency, and then select the FB AddToCart trigger. This is the trigger. I will change the name. You can see there is AddToCart. You have to check the data layer and copy from the data GTM debug view and paste here in the trigger option. Here you can see AddToCart. So this is how I create AddToCart tag for Facebook API conversion. So now just save this, and this is done. So thank you for watching my video.